Hi, good evening to all. Today's topic is about how to calculate labor cost variance, labor rate variance, and labor efficiency variance. We have one problem. We are going to solve it. First of all, we read the problem. With the help of the following information, calculate labor cost variance, labor rate variance, labor efficiency variance. Standard hours and actual hours have given here, through which we can solve the problem. Before solving the problem, we will look at the meaning of a variance first. Variance means it is the difference between standard cost and the actual cost. If there is any difference between them, it's called variance. To find out the reason for that variance, we have to conduct the variance analysis, and finally the remedial action will be taken by the organization. So what do you mean by labor cost variance? Labor cost variance means the standard labor cost, the difference between standard labor cost variance, standard labor cost and the actual labor cost. It's called the labor cost variance. Standard hours 14 at the rate of the 3 per hour. Labor cost variance are similar with the material cost variance. The formula is slightly the difference between the labor cost variance and the material cost variance. First, the standard rate 3 per hour and the standard time. If we multiply the 14 and 3, we can get the 120 hours. It is our standard time. Then actual rate per hour is 4, and the actual time is 200 hours. If we multiply 50 with the 4, we can get 200 hours. Next, the labor cost variance we can denote as LCV. LCV equal to the standard cost minus the actual cost. LCV the formula is standard cost into the standard rate, standard time into standard rate, minus the actual time into actual rate. We got the value for the standard time and the standard rate and the actual rate and the actual time. If we apply the value and this formula, we can get the value as 440. It's not a favorable, it is adverse condition. Next, the labor rate variance we can simply call as LRV. LRV formula actual time into the standard rate minus the actual rate. If we apply the value on this formula, we can get the value as 200. It is also the adverse. It's not a favorable. Next is labor efficiency variance. We can denote as LEV. LEV formula is standard rate into the standard time minus actual time. If we apply the value on the formula, we can get 240. It is also the adverse in condition. Next, we need to verify this whole value. For that, we have now one separate formula as the LCV equal to LRV plus LEV. The labor cost variance is equal to the summation of the labor the rate variance plus labor efficiency variance. If we apply the formula, the left hand side should be equal to the right hand side. If it is now, we have done our problem correctly. If not, we have committed some mistakes in between of the problem. Thank you. We will see you again with another session. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed. Bye.